So in this video, we want to talk about Capital One Financial. Yes, the what's in your wallet company. They reported a strong third quarter of net income of 1.8 billion. Total net revenue increased 5% to 10 billion. Company saw growth in its domestic card and auto businesses, with credit card period ending loans increasing 2% to 157 trillion. Now, the CEO highlighted the company's top-line growth and stable consumer credit results, while also noting ongoing work on the discovery, acquisition, regulatory approval process. This is the monthly chart. And I do want to point out to you a monthly zone that didn't work. Right, we had this rally-based rally out. You also had another monthly zone that didn't work. Prices were extended at this level. This is where price broke out. So we had a round trip to the $100 level, in which we saw prices base for nearly 2 years. Now prices are now breaking out again. I'm going to take these off the chart and point out this level here. We're going to call that monthly. Buyers at $130. Now prices are now contending with near all-time highs at $170. Let's scroll down to the weekly chart. Examine this monthly buy level a bit more in detail, and I don't see any real levels of interest. You have this hammer candle. You had a breakout in price. Now, big levels can take forever to eventually break out, which is why monthly zones are very powerful, as they tend to hold price. Now, let's examine the all-time highs a bit more in detail. You had a breakout, move down, but this is the candle that broke what I'll say were pivot lows. Now for the ICT traders out there, at this fair value gap. At that $160 level. If price eventually closes above, this level becomes an inversion fair value gap. Let's go down to the weekly chart, the daily chart. This was the gap higher on earnings. You had this rallying price, basing candles in the rally out. So we do have a daily buyer's level. At 150. Let's look at the all-time highs near 170. In a bit more detail, had a nice reversal pattern in the form of a M pattern. But I don't see any real levels of interest. I'm going to take it back out to the weekly chart to summarize. Let's push this all-time highs to these wicks. Let's make it 168. So yes, interest rates are going down. That will affect the bank's net interest income. However, with prices at near all-time highs, now's not a bad time to take some off the table. If you get a breakout and a candle close above, well, this will be the pattern that you're looking for. But you would want to see some type of reversal pattern on a smaller time chart before considering going long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.